In this experiment, we'll be using titration, which is a method of analysis that will allow you to determine the precise endpoint of a reaction and therefore the precise quantity of reactant in the titration flask. A burette is used to deliver the second reactant to the flask, and an indicator is used to detect the endpoint of the reaction. Begin by washing your burette with water 3 times and then priming it with a small amount of titrant. Fill your burette with your titrant and take and record your initial volume. Then you will prepare your analyte, which is the solution being identified and measured, and add your indicator, or in this case, phenolphthalein. Use the burette to deliver a stream of titrant to your endpoint. You'll see the indicator change color when the titrate hits the solution, but the color disappears upon stirring. Approach your endpoint carefully and be very observant of the color change. The endpoint for phenolphthalein is the first permanent pale pink color. When you have reached this endpoint, read the final volume in the burette and record it. You will then subtract the initial volume minus the final volume to determine the amount of titrant delivered. Use this, the concentration of the titrant, and the stoichiometry of the titrant reaction to calculate the number of moles of reactant in your analyte solution. This is what the end titration should look like once you have reached the endpoint. Thank you.